Sit down. Come closer. How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you always be naughty? Why are you always naughty?
I'm not naughty anymore. Daddy,
Why are you always angry?
No.
Huh?
No, I don't want to be so angry and naughty.
Okay. Don't be so naughty. Don't be so angry anymore, okay? Yes? How's your school? How's your school?
Good.
Good. When you say good, what? What do you mean? No. What?
What
Are you listening to your teachers?
Yes.
Or are you playing with your classmates while your teacher is teaching you?
I'm not playing with my classmates.
Where are you sitting down? On the back? Where are you sitting down? Are you sure? What did you learn last week? What did you learn last week? Huh?
I just learned the...
See?
Huh?
I thought you're listening to your teacher.
I'm listening naman.
Oh, what nga? What did you learn in your school?
Letting mo on my book.
What?
Look at on my book first.
Kaya nga, oh. Even if without looking at the book, your journal, if you learn that, you should know about it.
Daddy, anong page?
I don't know.
You don't know
What
na?
did you learn? Diba? I asked you, diba? I told you that you will tell me what are the things that you learn in your school, diba?
I just write.
Write what?
I just color.
Color what?
Color the picture.
Of what?
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay. How about the peso?
Huh?
How about the peso?
Huh?
Peso.
Peso?
1 peso?
1 peso. 2 peso. 3 peso. 4
No, diba? If it's 2 with S,
1 pesos.
1 peso only because it's 1 is singular. But if it's 2, plural. So we should S.
No.
What?
1 peso. 1 peso.
But,
1 peso. 2 pesos. 3 pesos. 4 pesos. 5 pesos. 6 pesos. 7 pesos. 8 pesos. 9 pesos. 10 pesos.
So are you going to be naughty again? Are you going to be naughty again?
No.
Why are you so angry ba?
Because I did the
Oh, you can tell us naman.
Kasi the point is 2 points.
Kaya nga. So you can say, Daddy, it's ouchie. Diba? You can say naman, Daddy, it's ouchie. Daddy, ouchie. Diba? Can you just say that?
No.
Can you say, Daddy, it's ouchie?
Yes.
Instead of, Daddy, it's ouchie. Why are you angry this morning to Nani? And why you are saying Nani is a dinosaur?
Because I will be a good dog.
No, no one is allowed to call that. Excuse me. Huh? Come here, I'm not yet done. Don't do that again, okay? Yes? You promise first. I promise your right hand. Your right hand. You promise? Promise?
Yes.
I will not
Oh,
naughty again. I will not be naughty again.
I will